Think about how many golden opportunities you've lost just because of self-doubt and low confidence. But don't worry, I'm here to change that. Everyone, this is me Vidhi. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. So today's video is an important one because आज हम एक ऐसी चीज के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं that literally affects every single area of our life, and that is confidence. So before diving deep into the video, let me tell you a bit about myself. So जब मैं स्कूल में थी, I was into debating, I was into public speaking, extempore and whatnot, and I did win a lot of competitions both at zonal as well as state level. Fast forward to college, I participated in a lot of public speaking inter-college competitions as well, like RJ Hunt competition, paper presentation, debate competition and whatnot. When I was in the first year of my college, I was interviewed by Shiksha.com. I recorded 2 video podcasts with UNICEF India in their UNICEF India office, उनके studio में जाकर. I even ran for the post of General Secretary in the second year of my college, which involved a lot of public campaigning and talking to huge crowds. And last but not the least, I run my own YouTube channel where I talk all the damn time in front of the camera. So you guys must be thinking कि मैं ये सब आपको क्यों बता रही हूँ, आप पे flex करने के लिए नहीं बता रही हूँ. I'm telling you all of this because there is a plot twist, there is a spoiler alert, and that is I wasn't always like this. I wasn't born confident. आप ये जो confidence अभी देख रहे हो, the way I'm talking in front of the camera and all the work that I've done in my past, it is not something that has come to me naturally. It is not natural at all. It is a skill that I have built over time. So if you feel awkward while speaking or nervous in front of people, या फिर आपको बहुत self doubt होता है, then this video is definitely for you, because I'm going to give you 4 practical confidence building tips that actually work. Tip number 1, talk to yourself in front of the mirror. I know ये advice सब लोग देते हैं, ये advice बहुत क्लीशे है, बहुत पुरानी हो गई है, कुछ नया लाओ. But trust me, ये advice सब लोग इसलिए देते हैं because it works. Because when you speak in front of the camera, you can see A, your body language, B, your expressions, and C, how confident or not confident you look. And slowly and steadily, believe me, that unfamiliar feeling will start going away, because most of the time मुझे ऐसा लगता है that we are not scared of people, we are scared of how we look while we speak. Also, अगर आपको ये मिरर के सामने नहीं करना, अगर मिरर के सामने आपको बहुत embarrassing लग रहा है, so the one thing that you can do is take out your phone, hit the record button and start recording yourself. Believe me, अपने आप को phone पर record करना from a front camera, it is a game changer, literally. I know that at first you'll cringe, maybe हो सकता है आप वो वीडियो जल्दी से delete कर दो, उसको पूरी देखो भी ना, but after 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th video maybe, you will going to improve and you will feel confident in yourself while speaking. Now, tip number 2, what you consume is what you speak. We all know that most of our thoughts come from the books we read, the content we watch, and the people we listen to. So if your brain is filled with random reels, brain rot content and memes, तो जब बोलने का time आता है, तब you will literally don't know what to say, and that kills confidence. Because I believe that confidence comes from clarity of thought. So what I want you to do is read more books, watch more meaningful content, and stay updated with whatever is going around in this world. Because जब आपके पास original ideas होते हैं, आपका अपना original perspective होता है, then you automatically feel more confident while speaking, and people also start listening to you. So tip number 3, repetition is equals to confidence. Because confidence is not something that you think in your mind, it is something that you practice every single day, just like any other skill. So the more you speak, the more you present, the more you interact, the more natural it becomes. So at first you'll feel awkward, obviously, but by the second time you'll slightly feel better, and by the third time you'll actually start enjoying it. This is exactly how I improved. I said yes to every single opportunity, even when I was scared. Like I said yes to class presentations, hosting competitions, public speaking initiatives and whatnot. So my advice would be volunteer for anchoring, speak in class, join debate groups. Like start small but start somewhere. And finally, the last tip, change your perspective. So whenever you're about to speak on stage or in front of large crowd or in front of people that you don't know, instead of saying and instead of thinking I'm nervous, think I'm excited. Because scientifically your body reacts the same same way in both the cases. आपकी हार्ट बीट फास्ट हो जाती है, एड्रेनलिन रश हो जाता है, स्वेटी पाम्स हो जाते हैं, but the only difference is how your mind interprets it. So when you tell yourself that I'm excited, your brain starts believing that this is a good thing, there is nothing to fear about. And that small shift, believe me, it changes everything. So yeah, that brings me to the end of this video, and I just want to say that confidence is not something that you are born with. It is something that you build every single day, small steps, small actions, and once you start practicing, and once you start developing that confidence, you'll realize how many doors will open for you. So next time you get an opportunity, don't let self-doubt or low confidence stop you. Just go for it, and believe me, you'll really enjoy it, and that's how you'll build confidence. So if this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Please kar do. And comment down below what's the one thing you're going to do this week to become more confident. And I'll see you in the next one.